Hey there YouTube, this is gonna be a video on my do-it-yourself slab flattening router jig. So I've done a piece of cedar, very simple construction. I just used brad nails. That's the rail for this side, clamped down to the table. The rail for this side, also clamped down to the table. When I built this sled, well, I built it a little bit too wide. So I made up for it by pretty much making a spacer. Board and a little thin piece of plywood, nailed that onto this board. That took up the space I needed and made for a tighter fit. Now here is a cherry slab I've done. And this is the very first one I did right here. So as you can see, it's got a few little spots where the bit stayed a little bit too long and burned it. Friction burn, but this is my very first, flip it over, very first one I did here of a piece of cherry. And I got a level as my flat edge. Laid it across, checked for any rock, placed it in a few different areas over the slab, no rock, flipped it over, did the same thing on the other side, no rock, good to go. This could be a pretty cool little end table. Put a finish on it. Of course, got to sand it with a belt sander. These little imperfections out of it, and put some legs on it. Cool little end table right there. I've done both sides of the cedar. Got my flat edge, straight edge. I just use this ruler, excuse me, daggone, why the heck am I saying ruler? Level, put it on there, nice and flat, no rock. And I start out using this piece of plywood, and then since I don't have an extender on my router bit, I have to raise up the piece of material I'm working with. So then I get some cardboard sheets and place them under here. That raises it up a little more, so I can take a little bit more material off. This is a Firestorm made by Black & Decker. They don't make this anymore. And I went on eBay and bought a real cheap $10 spool board flattening bit, 1 inch wide, $10, pretty dang cheap. Seems to have been doing good, especially when I started first using it. Oh boy, that sucker was sharp. But they don't make this router anymore, but I like it. Seems pretty powerful. I just got a slot cut through here. And heck, this whole build was very cheap to do, and it's very effective and does exactly what I want it to do, so I'd say that's a win. Very easy construction. Hope you enjoyed the video. This 85cc Master. Y'all have a good one. Say goodbye, big puppy. Oh, he's eating. Yeah, have a good one.